For this video, I am going to teach you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. So the process is pretty straightforward, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Tonkeeper wallet on your phone and make sure that you are in the main dashboard where you can see the options like send and receive. So simply tap onto the buy and sell button right here. So this option allows you to purchase Ton directly within the app using different payment methods. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to see different options that you can use. And for this tutorial, we are going with Transact. So tap onto it, and it says right here, or a pop-up will show up. It says that you are opening an external app not operated by Tonkeeper. So tap Buy Ton and let it load for a few seconds. So Tonkeeper integrates with third-party providers to facilitate your purchase. So again, just select your preferred payment method such as your credit card, your Apple Pay, and or bank transfer, and you may also be given a choice of service providers like Simplex or MoonPay to complete your transaction. So right here, you'll be able to see the amount that you need to pay for the amount of TONcoin you receive on your Tonkeeper app. So take note of any associated fees which will be shown before you confirm your purchase. So after entering your amount right here, then you'll be asked to enter your payment details. You need to fill in your credit card or any payment information. So just make sure that all of your details are correct. So again, before we continue, by the way, you can also select the currency that you want to use right here. So once you scroll down, you'll be able to see different options. But for now, we are going to use USD. So I have your option USD, and that will also automatically adjust the amount of TONcoin that I will receive. So again, you have here Visa, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and you can also wire your money right here. So once you've reviewed the transaction details or confirm your purchase, the processing time can vary depending on your payment method, but it usually takes a few minutes. So those will happen once you have tapped onto the buy now button. So again, you'll need to fill in all of your information based on the payment method that you have chose. Or that you chose. So after the payment is processed, your newly purchased Ton will be added to your wallet, and you can see your updated balance right on the main screen of your Tonkeeper wallet. And so that's it. You've successfully bought TONcoin on Tonkeeper. So buying Ton directly from your wallet is fast and secure, so you can manage your assets with confidence. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great